I'm here with Joanne and Brandon. We just got done watching the premiere of the TLC of Joanne. So, I'd like to ask you guys, so how does it feel watching you guys on yourself on TLC?
It was inspiring, and oh my goodness, I can't believe that.
So other people can dance with each other.
Awesome. So I think everybody wants to know, when is the next competition that you guys plan to compete in?
We're going to Disney World. No, not seriously. But I don't know. Yeah, we're working on that.
Yeah, we got to go back to the drawing board a little bit.
We're working on some new moves.
We'll keep you.
Yeah, we'll keep you.
Pretty impressive move. Well, Joanne?